my own recipe, you know, with the African style, little bit of Senegali touch, Liberian touch, and then with smaller European style. So it's going to be like this. Yeah, but anyway, I just putting you in my kitchen a little bit. Bye. Yes, gonna mix them up, pound them. Yes. You will see what's gonna happen to it after. Yep. Yes, the fish and the ingredients, I'm going to fix them. But yes, I will show you after. That's my little recipe. Yeah, yeah. Scoring in here to mix it. But I never put it earlier because it's quick to cook. Gonna wait for the fish. You can do this with chicken and meat, even seafood, but I love fish. Now it's done. Yes, this is how it look on a plate. Yes. With some salad on the side, it's good to go. Yay! That is all. Thanks for watching and stay in tune for the next. Bye.